The 2025 Ford Falcon XM in chalk white is the kind of car that turns pure nostalgia into futuristic perfection. It's where classic soul meets next-generation muscle, and that balance is what makes this machine truly special. The Falcon XM first hit the scene back in 1964, a symbol of Australian ingenuity and American-inspired design, but in 2025, Ford has brought it back with an unbelievable modern twist that still honors its vintage DNA. This reborn Falcon XM stands as a tribute to the past but drives straight into the future with innovation, technology, and undeniable attitude. From the moment your eyes catch that chalk white finish, you know this car means business. The pastel tone isn't just a color, it's a statement of elegance and purity, perfectly highlighting every sculpted curve of its vintage silhouette. The front fascia carries the spirit of the original 1964 design, with round headlights reimagined in crystal-clear LED form, giving it a piercing futuristic gaze. The chrome accents are replaced with brushed aluminum finishes, adding a modern touch without losing the timeless class. The front grille features a floating Falcon badge illuminated subtly, symbolizing the bridge between heritage and progress. Under the hood, Ford went all out to ensure performance meets passion. The 2025 Falcon XM houses a turbocharged 2.5-liter EcoBoost hybrid engine paired with a high-efficiency electric motor, producing over 400 horsepower combined. The hybrid setup isn't just about fuel economy, it's about delivering instant torque, lightning-fast throttle response, and a drive that's both thrilling and efficient. The powertrain is linked to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts smoother than silk but hits with authority when pushed. Drive modes include Comfort, Sport, Eco, and Classic mode, which tunes the exhaust note to mimic the deep growl of the original Falcon. It's a sound that sends chills down your spine and connects old-school passion with futuristic performance. The chassis has been completely re-engineered with lightweight aluminum and carbon composite materials to reduce weight while improving rigidity. The suspension system combines adaptive dampers and active torque vectoring, giving the XM incredible cornering precision and stability. Whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking a winding mountain road, this car feels glued to the asphalt. The steering is razor sharp, giving you total control and feedback that true driving enthusiasts crave. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Falcon XM perfectly blends retro charm with high-tech luxury. The dashboard design pays homage to the 1964 original with circular air vents and a horizontal layout, but everything is digitized. A massive 12.9-inch floating touchscreen takes center stage, running Ford's latest sync system with full AI integration and over-the-air updates. The digital instrument cluster adapts its theme depending on drive mode, showing analog style gauges in classic mode and futuristic holographic data in sport. Premium materials cover every inch. Hand-stitched leather, brushed metal, and eco-friendly Alcantara bring modern comfort without sacrificing authenticity. The seats are redesigned bucket-style sport seats that hug you firmly during spirited drives but offer long-distance comfort. Ambient lighting softly glows in customizable colors, while a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system surrounds the cabin with crisp, deep tones. Wireless charging, voice-activated climate control, and adaptive cruise with lane centering are all standard, creating a cocoon of convenience and control. Safety and technology are a big part of the 2025 Falcon XM's identity. It comes with Ford Company Pilot 360 2.0, featuring adaptive emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera with 3D projection. The car can even self-park and has a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. Yet despite all that tech, it still keeps the driver at the center of the experience, just like every true Falcon should. The wheels are 19-inch forged alloys wrapped in performance Michelin tires, giving perfect grip and a timeless design nod to the original XM's steel wheels. The rear design keeps that iconic tail light cluster but adds dynamic LED patterns for a futuristic edge. The dual exhaust tips are neatly integrated, producing a throaty yet refined tone. Every angle of the 2025 XM tells a story, heritage lines that meet modern aggression, all painted in that beautiful chalk white finish that gleams under any light. When you drive the new Falcon XM, it's not just about speed, it's about emotion. It's a car that makes you feel part of history while giving you tomorrow's innovation. Ford has created something rare, a car that respects its roots but isn't trapped by them. This Falcon is bold, elegant, and ahead of its time. For car enthusiasts, the 2025 Ford Falcon XM is more than just a remake, it's a masterpiece reborn. Whether you're an old-school muscle fan or a modern tech lover, this car unites both worlds. It's not just about horsepower or looks, it's about the feeling it gives you when you press the start button and hear that hybrid engine awaken. It's a legend reimagined for a new generation, and that's exactly what Auto Upgrade Nation is all about, bringing the spirit of the past into the performance of the future.